Welcome, I'm Rabbi Phil Bressler of Beit Am in Corvallis, Oregon, and this is the daily summary video for the Kitzur Shulchan Aruch Yomi Daily Halakha Learning Project, covering the passage from Siman 159, Seif 7, to Siman 160, Seif 6. You can find links to the Hebrew and English text of this passage and to the calendar of upcoming passages in this video's description. Short video today, as it is quite late at night for me here today. We're wrapping up what happens post-menstruation for a woman. The Kitzur is still talking about a woman's self-examination. It has to be fairly deep and thorough and conducted by the light of day. Then Kitzur moves on in Siman 160 to a process called chafifa. So at the end of the seven clean days, as it were, there's a process of thorough washing and combing pubic hair called chafifa, and that's followed by the ritual immersion in the mikveh. So chafifa is a separate bath. It's for getting clean. Mikveh is about ritual rather than functionally getting clean. I guess doing chafifa and sort of rolling that right into immersion in the mikveh is ideal. And there's an interesting interaction with the beginning of Shabbat, if this is happening on Friday afternoon and evening. I guess the ideal is to do chafifa, then return home and light candles before twilight, and then go immerse in the mikveh. The next best thing would be, if you can't get all the way home for that, have your husband light candles at home instead. The Kitzur doesn't seem to want women to light candles after immersion. It says it's a bracha levatala, so like a blessing said in vain, but it's unclear to me why. A possible workaround, which is somewhat interesting, and this is possible, there's other applications for this principle as well. You can light candles earlier in the day, earlier than you normally would, longer before sundown than you normally would. But when you do that, normally that would be the onset of Shabbat for you. You can do that and stipulate to yourself while you are doing that this isn't the beginning of your Shabbat. Your Shabbat will begin at a later set point that you stipulate to yourself. This can sometimes be useful if you're lighting candles at home, but still have to walk to shul, or if there's something else you need to do. You're not going to get a chance to light candles again before Shabbat really comes in. You can make this stipulation and not be violating Shabbat immediately while taking care of whatever remaining work you have to do before Shabbat really begins. That's all for today. As always, our learning is dedicated to Rabbi Shlomo Gansfried, the author of the Kitzur, and the historic Jewish community of Uzhhorod, Ukraine. See you tomorrow.